Hello everyone, welcome to Developers and Coders Club NIT-A. This is Rimi Saha and today I am going to discuss the latest LeetCode contest problem, Categorize box according to criteria. So let's start with the problem statement. Given four integers length, width, height and mass representing the dimensions and mass of a box respectively, return a string representing the category of the box. So we're given four integers length, width, height and mass and some condition based on which we have to represent the category of the box. Now the box is said to be bulky if any of the dimension of the box is greater than or equal to 10 to the power 4, or if the volume of the box is greater than or equal to 10 to the power 9. The box is said to be heavy if the mass of the box is greater than or equal to 100. If the box is both bulky and heavy, we will return both. If the box is neither bulky nor heavy, we will return neither. If the box is bulky but not heavy, we will return bulky. And if the box is heavy but not bulky, we will return heavy. So now let's look at a test case. Here we are given length is 1000, width is 35, height is 700 and mass is 300. First, we will check if any of the dimension of the box is greater than or equal to 10 to the power 4, which we can see none of them are. Now, we will find the volume by multiplying length, width and height, which is less than or equal to 10 to the power 9. Therefore, it satisfies none of the conditions for a box to be bulky. Hence, the box is not bulky. Now we will check the mass of the box, which is equal to 300, definitely greater than or equal to 100. Therefore, the box is heavy. Now we can see that the box is heavy but not bulky. So we will return heavy, which is the output. Let us look at the second test case. Here length is given as 200, width as 50, height as 800 and mass is 50. We first check if any of the dimension of the box, that is length, width and height, is greater than or equal to 10 to the power 4, which none of them are. Then we again find the volume, which is 8 into 10 to the power 6, less than or equal to 10 to the power 9. Hence, the box is not bulky. Then we check the mass of the box. The mass of the box is 50, which is less than or equal to 100. Therefore, the box is not heavy either. Therefore, the box is not bulky and not heavy as well. Therefore, we return neither, which is the output. Now let us look at the solution part. We first calculate the volume of the box by multiplying length, height and width. I multiplied one LL here to typecast the product into long int because each of length, height and width can have a value between 1 and 10 to the power 5. So multiplying them can lead to out of bound. Then I calculated the maximum of length, width and height. We had to check if any of the dimension is greater than or equal to 10 to the power 4. So we can simply check if the maximum of the length, width and height is greater than or equal to 10 to the power 4. So we found that by using this function and then stored in the variable called val. Then we checked if the mass is greater than or equal to 100, the check for heavy, and this is the check for bulky. If val, which is the maximum of the dimension, if this is greater than or equal to 10 to the power 4, or if the volume is greater than or equal to 10 to the power 9, then the box is bulky. And if it's bulky as well as heavy, that is mass is greater than or equal to 100, we will return both. And if the mass is less than 100, that is it is not heavy and not of this condition, which checks if the if the box is bulky. Since it's not heavy and not bulky as well, we will return neither. Now we are left with two conditions, that is the box can be heavy but not bulky, or the box can be bulky but not heavy. If the mass is greater than or equal to 100, the box is heavy. So we will return heavy, and then we are just left with one condition, that the box is bulky, and we will return that. So that is it for this question.